Put your hands up. Girl in a bikini. Everybody got a red cup. In a the pool party, yo. Like a scene from a movie. Starring everybody. Oh.
Hello my people. Hi beautiful world. I'm here. It's Tuesday afternoon. I'm heading on the road, waiting on my driver, going to Terry's, and I'm going to Anna Belisa, and I'm going to Anna all the Love Cosmetics. Oh, honestly, my nail light look, yeah. I'm not do it till next week though. I'm not do it, I'm gonna hold it up. I'll try to get off them ready because I hate seeing when nails look like this. Like, I have to get them off. And I can't deal with sort them off. I cannot deal. So I'm just gonna get them off. Like, I've been using a nail clip to get them off, but yeah, cut them this morning. Yes, I'm just here. Ooh, you see my bracelets? I got these from Baba's Jewel. Jamaican. She's from Jamaica, but she's based in Florida now. She sent these to me and a neck piece. So gorgeous. It's like a natural kind of earthy Rastafari type of vibe. You see, like an empress thing. Yeah, I have a like unboxing of these coming up on my channel in the week, so look out for that. And what else? Oh, when I come back home, I'm going to make a wig. I might vlog when I'm on the road. We'll see. Might not, because I just want to make it real quick and come back home. What's up? It's like it's after 4 in the morning. Like, yeah, really early. And I know this vlog going kind of start off slow like the previous one, but guys, this is what's going on. Heading to Diane, and tell her the truth, I never go to bed, because when I was like through doing everything I had to do at the night, it was like after 2 going to 3, I was like, bruh, if I go to bed now, when I wake up, my eyes them going to feel like them bleeding, like them on fire, and that's like torture. I couldn't deal with go through that. Right now I feel the tired I come down for me, but just tough it out. I'm gonna reach home back, get some sleep. Well, when I reach home back, my mom make up for it, because today is like the last day of school for everybody for the Christmas holidays, as I mentioned. So everybody have dressed up nice and something go to school today. So mommy wants her makeup done and all these lovely stuff. Look in the camera. This looks so pretty. Say hi. Say good morning. Say good morning, mommy.
Good morning.
Tell them where you're going.
Out the road.
Mommy, that's a lie. Watch
Then
the glow. No school you go. You're so going to
road school there?
You know what I
I say I'm out the road. I'm in the house, school there? Have no sense.
Mommy, I make you feel going so early in the morning, eh? Yes, people, blue lipstick and beer, something. I'm tired. I go on my bed, you know. Wait me away for me to take one picture, you know. Cause I'm not too long do her makeup, but she going like she just want to drag it out.
Back to the one.
What? You say mommy have to go on at school. She going to a class party. What your mommy have to flaky? Okay, so I got up not too long ago, and my driver is waiting on me, and I'm going to Michaela to do this makeover Mondays, and Shami is with me. So yeah, I'll see you when I'm there. This is Michaela. Alright. Hi! What's up? So, I'm going to tell you. So, I'm going to actually make this episode be the like final episode for this year. For makeover. I know someone are going to cuss me off, but I have to find new faces. So, just bear with me. Alright? So, I'm going to talk to her. When I'm done, I might show a little peek of what she looks like. So, yeah, I'm not going to go in too far for now. Y'all got to watch Makeover Monday. Baby. I am done. I am finished. I'm so stupid. Watch out this. He's like, you're so extra. We're gonna pack up back now. I mean, I'm excited with how beautiful the look turned out. It's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. Alright. The view here is pretty nice though. It's nice. Yeah. I'm gonna just pack up now, waiting on my driver once again. And then I'll probably go buy something to eat because I'm hungry. I'm hungry, okay? Waiting on my driver. I'm going up by the shopping center to meet mommy because we have a lot of stuff to pick up, you know, like for Christmas, you know, grocery shopping basically, because you know Christmas is just like next week and all of that. So I'm gonna go up there and we're gonna get some stuff. Oh, I know in the previous clip you guys saw me whitening my teeth. As you guys know, for some of you guys, you know that I use my Smile Bright teeth whitening system. You know, you have to keep the teeth and flaky and so it have to dip on point to use it. But yeah, but if you guys are interested in getting that for yourselves though, I'll put the information for it down below because I have a discount code where you can actually just get the kit for like $25, and with shipping it comes up to like $34, because the kit is originally for $99, and you know when shipping add on to that are like 100 and something. So yeah, that's a big deal and I love it. I've been using this kit for over a year now. It keeps my teeth so freaking white. Yes, it works, because enough time people ask me, oh, it really worked? Yeah, it worked. Like it worked. Like, so yeah, gives me a perfect smile. So yeah. Also guys, if you know one about the white them in my ear, a pudding and I wet it, that's why. So yeah, once it's dry it'll be gone. It'll be black again, just if you were wondering what's that sitting on my curls. Yeah. Fashion Nova. This is a Fashion Nova. I like this top. I like the top. They made too very wintry. Yeah. I like them. What? What? You came late though. I'm buying something over here. So, which one of them you feel, mommy? You feel like, mommy, you feel something to get one of that? Seriously? That's doing the most. When you here for dinner, maybe? I can't buy it. Nice. Oh my gosh. No, I'm buying a midi dress though, too. Yes, I was looking at it. Mommy, why am I going to buy that for because when I can buy this? What?
It's costume.
What? Mommy, come on. This don't fit me. I forgot to try it on.
Try it on and say, oh, it fits you. Oh, you have to go some.
Yeah. Yeah.
I kind of like it, you know?
I feel like I should get it. Really? Thank you. Oh my god. Bruh. Chill man, wait. Wow, try one of them. You feel like me forget the black? The burgundy.
You love black here,
the burgundy. Alright. Come, I'm gonna buy the dress down there. My bed is feel. Oh, my bed is feel. Come show me. What do you feel about that? Nah, but I'll go no way. All of them are the same price range, you know. What you feel about it? I want to buy. Show me which one do you want. Choose. Which one do you want? Show me.
Say in a small. Guana? Just gonna try.
Want something I can get? Yes. Mommy wants something. She feel left out. Oh my god. I have to get her something too.
She look.
Yeah. That's nice. The drinks up. Yeah. I can't believe we're there the whole time and you just realizing a birthday is done. Like, seriously?
I'm not going to what they have to floor.
Oh man, you're just too dramatic.
We never see.
Boy, Mommy, when we're gonna in a supermarket? This was so...
Let's sit down and make the list.
Yeah.
Because guess what? We didn't have one listen about look like when she
So yesterday, while I'm going to suffer, and then go over there. So alright, you have a list. You know what you can want to buy everything what we need now. No one buy the bulk of what we need. Mommy. Come, make a list. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. Oh, by the way, guys, this is where we just went in the south. In the south for a while. The peach, you know, guys, we just make a list. Cause mommy never make none. So we're fair. Yeah. Me not rich. I'm not rich. What else? What else? So much fish, we can't even eat so much food for Christmas. People are going to Shamia look for people. So what's we can't find either. Come on, we're talking about food now. We just buy me now, buy more clothes to the mommy. I buy it. Then I must see what my them laugh? Them laugh them always laugh for the idea, yeah. You can't.
They can't depend on them.
Yeah, man. Sure. No, we can't get the good. Yes. No sugar and spices, so I go, oh, you never saw?
I never saw it.
You never saw what? Oh, where we go? Outside of the place we go?
Yeah, outside of the plaza we go.
No, but think so in the plaza, the place there. Seriously? I cannot deal. Cannot. Nope.
Like it.
Oh my gosh, thank you. No, I wore a black top, full black.
Same thing.
I wore the black leggings, yeah, so
You look good
today. Yeah, mommy, I know it's like this, that, you know.
I
this, that. Legit.
Mommy, we need to work on
the sun ain't really not play. After I say, I couldn't film today because the day they too cloudy. Now the sun come out and bright up. But clouds over there, so though. Like, bruh. So buying shoes. Shami wanted a shoe. Could be wear with our dress that she buy for my birthday. Mommy I buy sandals. Me no buy no shoes. Camera one bag of eel business. That's where me can done. Camera. I call him another week to find out about my black rose. You see them here, mommy? Them eel? Gold, black, silver. Mommy, why your bag gotta take up so much space? Put it down. I'm just here watching them buy them things because I'm not buying no more than food. So wait. This show me what I'm wearing up, people. She's too ass.
You pick it out though.
Nice. I like it. Watch it. I like it. I love it. I think it's gonna go well with it. What am I gonna do now? So yeah, we're gonna buy food now. We're gonna supermarket. Raw food. Yeah, no food to eat. Food for the, you know, classic grocery shopping. You see me tell you, so grocery shopping when I come and so end up there, I buy clothes and shoes and some of them, but I'm buy shoes, but yeah. I wear the shoes on. Just I'm wearing with it sandals. Alright now guys, so we're there. We're doing all the shopping we need to do. So we went home and we dropped off the stuff that we had, and no, because it was just too much, so we dropped off the stuff that we had at home, and now we're just buying more stuff. So I'm over on the next guy. Sorry. Mommy, you look like you wanted that to me in your face. Seriously? You look so stupid. What? I got that. Okay, what's your deal? I'm gonna buy it. Yeah, I'm gonna buy you the Tropicana. Buy this one, the fruit punch. My money done. People, this sweet tire. Ooh, yes, yeah, boy. We missed the meat shop though, because we need to buy some meat and something. But we're only going to the supermarket for now. If we go back and make like a second trip again. Then go and go pack it out now. But yeah. Alright, so guys, I'm about to dye some hair. This hair that you see right here is some Malaysian hair, some deep curly hair, but you can't really see because I comb it out a while ago. I'm gonna dye it black. This all I change already. Dome cap. Then $2 a day I buy for this now. You people realize, you know. It's still making a money still. It's about 4 bungalow here in a people. I think I remember which length them here. Long time out that area still enough. I love it. Long time I put it in. So because the texture kind of close to my natural ear, I'm just gonna put it in because I like the natural look. I'm gonna cut that area now, people. I'm gonna cut it. But I'm not bother. Watch it. A little bit left. The good thing is still I want half a wig now make. So the closure, I feel like I'm not even go back. I just have to put that on one side. I'm gonna use back the closure. Because I don't want to use a closure. I feel like with them curly area, when you have closure, I don't know, it just don't suit me. Suit some people and everything, everybody fits. So me just feel like it not fit me. And so I want to blend it with my hair. My natural hair. You know what this stuff here?
Real rich.
Shut up, money. What's that? I want to the video upon the avenue. Every day them see I walk with camera. I say, no, sir. Why them people have to suffer?
Hey, December we're in a silly season.
Be merry.
So we ain't choice about December people.
No, you're merry, happy people born December.
Happy people born December. Yeah. Be happy, guys.
Yeah, the 2 daughters them and December them born. Big them up, big them up.
Big them up, big them up.
Big them there.
Swear.